All right, so now we have Nicole Sutler from the Faculty of Human Sciences, the effect of victims' responses to bullying on bystander reaction.
200 million children around the world are being bullied by their peers. The consequences can be devastating, whether physical or psychological. Bullying refers to unprovoked aggression that is intended to cause harm, repeated over time, and involves a power imbalance between the bully and the victim. School bullying is increasingly being recognised as a group phenomenon, with research indicating that peer onlookers are present in 87% of bullying interactions. Teachers also represent bystanders to bullying and hold an important responsibility to prevent and manage bullying within the school environment. Bystanders have the ability to shift the balance of power within bullying situations. The question is, what factors will influence bystanders' attitudes and reactions? What will determine whether bystanders form part of the problem or part of the solution? In answering this question, my research investigates the effect on bystander reactions of victims' in-the-moment responses to being bullied. Consider for a moment, what would you do if another student pushed you off the bench at school or called you the teacher's pet in front of your peers? How would you recommend that your own child respond? Through the use of video scenarios, my research compared 4 different responses to being physically or verbally bullied, which varied in terms of the victim's emotional expression and behavioural reaction. For example, a victim may appear sad and respond passively, or the victim may appear calm and say something back to the bully in a confident tone. Questionnaire results have already revealed the significant effect the victim's response to being bullied has on the attitudes and reactions of peer bystanders. A related study is currently being conducted with school teachers to extend this inquiry. You may be wondering, how exactly do these findings help in the battle against bullying? The answer is threefold, as this research informs 3 key avenues of anti-bullying intervention. Firstly, individual level interventions, which train victims in more effective ways of responding to bullying. Secondly, peer level interventions, which involve educating students about bullying and reducing bystander complacency. Thirdly, school-level interventions, including teacher training programs and anti-bullying school policies and procedures. So the next time you watch the movie Mean Girls or see Biff from Back to the Future, bullying A. McFly, notice the victim's response to being bullied and the significant effect this has on the attitudes and reactions of bystanders. Thank you.
Robin.
Nicole, thank you. It is interesting, isn't it? Both of Saki's, the science presentations were about making complex scientific topics legible, whereas your presentation did the opposite in a really profound way, and that was making a topic that we all think we know about, bullying, or we all might have experienced as parents or as children or as victims. And what you've really shown in a nice way is the importance of a scientific approach to a topic like that, and the importance of research, of thinking things through, of designing experiments, of scenarios. And you explained really well then how that scientific approach and the findings of that then lead to policy outcomes, and the importance of having some evidence, and that's what our university research can provide. So thank you.